Hi, I'm Brian Pfeiffer, and I run the striping, signs, and rumbling division here at Hog. We specialize in every aspect of roadway striping, from the initial layout to the final thermoplastic. Our services include temporary paint, final paint, rumble strip installation, thermoplastic application, and long line striping. Our attention to detail is paramount. We take immense pride in the work that we do, ensuring that each project meets the highest industry standards. When you choose Hog Technologies, you're choosing a team dedicated to delivering the highest quality roadway striping with competitive advantages that set us apart. Partner with us for unparalleled expertise and excellence in roadway striping.
I'm Joanna Mendez. For the past 13 years, I've had the privilege to be a part of Hog Technologies. We're a US-based manufacturer that also provides a complete operations division, utilizing our specialized ultra-high pressure water blasting systems. These machines have the ability to safely remove paint and rubber buildup, rejuvenate markings, and retexturing services at airports and on roadways. At Hog Technologies, we believe in manufacturing powerful, efficient solutions to meet your toughest challenges with a team of certified Stripe Hog operators that show up squared up, ready for anything, anytime, anywhere. We're just a phone call away from being a part of your next successful project. Give us a call.